We'll guide you through how to deploy Vercel MCP. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel website and sign in to your account. Once you're in, head over to the Vercel dashboard. Here, you will see an option to New Project. Click on that. You'll be prompted to import a project from GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. Select the repository that contains your MCP project. If it's not already linked, you'll need to authorize Vercel to access your repositories. After selecting your project, click Import. Now, you'll be taken to the configuration page. On this page, you can choose the root directory of your project if it's not in the root folder, and make sure to check the build settings. For most MCP setups, the default npm run build command should work, but double-check your package.json file to ensure the script is correct. After checking everything, click Deploy. Vercel will now build and deploy your project. This process might take a few minutes, depending on your project size. You'll see live logs on the screen showing the build process. Once it's done, you'll get a confirmation that your project has been deployed successfully. You'll be provided with a URL where your project is live. You can visit this URL to see your deployed application. If you need to make changes, just push the updates to your repository, and Vercel will automatically redeploy the latest version. And that's it, you're all set with deploying your MCP on Vercel. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.